Shantuei Construction Machinery Company, Limited is a subsidiary of Shandong Heavy Industry Group. Shandong Heavy Industry Group is a massive state-owned enterprise and one of the world's most influential multinational equipment manufacturers. With its origins dating back to 1952, Shantuei stands as one of China's earliest and most respected bulldozer manufacturers. Today, we take you inside this giant of the construction machinery world. Shantuei owns the world's largest bulldozer manufacturing base. Its market share in China has remained above 60% for 21 consecutive years, demonstrating its dominance and long-standing reputation for reliability. The factory covers an area of more than 165 acres, and its products are exported to over 160 countries and regions. Shantuei also operates a national-level technology center with advanced, fully independent research and development capabilities. Through continuous innovation, the company maintains a strong technological and market lead in the global bulldozer industry. The manufacturing process begins with raw steel used for producing track shoes. The steel plates are sheared to the exact size required. Holes are punched with precision, and the plates move into the heat treating section where they undergo controlled heating and quenching. After quenching, tempering is necessary to balance strength and toughness. Once tempered, the track shoes go through shot blasting, preparing them for assembly. Next comes the production of the tracklinks. Round steel bars are cut to length and placed into a medium-frequency induction heating furnace. When the steel reaches forging temperature, it moves into a German Schuler fully automatic forging press. Inside the press, the heated steel is shaped using a specialized tracklink mold. Multiple forging steps gradually form the final shape, followed by trimming the edges to achieve perfect dimensions. The forged links are then transported to the quenching tank. They undergo oil quenching to enhance physical properties and improve wear resistance. After quenching, the links enter a tempering furnace for further heat treatment, ensuring durability under heavy working conditions. The treated track links are delivered to Shantuei's Smart Machining Workshop, a production line independently designed by the company. Each link is scanned, its surfaces precisely turned, and critical areas receive localized heat treatment for added strength. After this, the links undergo quenching once more before moving to the advanced LG Mazak Smart Machining Center. Every link is inspected through magnetic particle testing, a manual and highly reliable method to detect even the smallest defects. Only qualified links proceed to shot blasting and then enter Shantui's self-developed smart tracklink press-fitting workshop. Here, the links and pins are press-fitted together with extreme accuracy. Track shoes are then added onto the assembled chain. Technicians ensure that every bolt is tightened to identical torque values for consistent performance. The completed tracks are rolled into coils, coated through a baking paint process, and dipped into an eco-friendly paint pool for corrosion resistance. Once dry, the tracks are installed onto the bulldozer frame, and grease is added to properly tension the assembly. Shantui has been ranked among the top 50 global construction machinery manufacturers for many years. The company currently has an annual production capacity of 10,000 bulldozers, a level unmatched by many of its competitors. Shantui also developed the world's first 5G remote-controlled high-horsepower bulldozer, pioneering a breakthrough that filled a major domestic technological gap. Before any product leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. Hardness testing ensures structural strength. Tensile testing measures durability under extreme loads. Metallographic analysis examines the internal grain structure to confirm material quality. From raw steel to powerful machines that shape the world, this is how Shantui builds its legendary bulldozers.